Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix blurry stories on Instagram. So let's get started the video. What you first need to do is open Instagram, then click on your profile picture in the bottom right. Then click on these three bars. Click on Settings, then select Account from the menu. Then click on Mobile Data Use. Firstly, make sure use less mobile data as turned off. It says using less more data may affect your experience on Instagram. So therefore, if you make sure that's turned off, it will use more mobile data, but you are going to be able to go and see everything in much quality. Also make sure upload at highest quality is turned on, because this means that when you are uploading your own content, it's going to go and upload the highest quality version of it. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.